guys, so I'm unable to go and make my normal videos because of time constraint, but I just want to drop this video real quick. You see, I'm almost 30 years and all my life I've seen people complain about Nigeria, about Africa, about how we are not getting anything right as Africans. And I want to show you a vivid example of exactly what is going on and why we will not get things right if we do not change right now. Nigeria has a ministry called Raw Material Research and Development Council. Their job is supposed to be to develop raw materials, to research on it so that we can convert it to finished goods, add value instead of just exporting our raw materials, because when we add value, we can control the prices, right? So recently the head of this body was invited to come and tell the Senate what he has achieved, what the ministry has achieved for over 30 years of existence. Over 30 years before I was born. Right?
Can you give us the research work that has reached the final stage? Let's leave the ones that are still being tested. Which one have you concluded? Can you give us the ones you have concluded that manufacturing companies are now using, and this is as a result of Raw Material Research and Development Council?
Yes, by 30 years of a research activity, we are still a young institution. But to be candid with you, we are making progress. For now, we have developed a technology to optimize kilishi production.
Do you know what kilishi is? Kilishi is a roasted meat, like barbecue, like suya. Kilishi, popular in the northern part of Nigeria. Meat, that is the groundbreaking achievement they've had for over 30 years of existence. Do you see how 30 years has been wasted for nothing, despite all of the billions of naira in budgetary allocation? I want you to understand how we got to where we are right now. But do you know why? Because of tribalism and nepotism, we appoint people who are incompetent into positions of authority, and when they get there, they sleep in the office and embezzle our money. But I'm not going to blame our leaders. I have stopped blaming our leaders and I will never blame them again. Do you know the problem? I am the problem and you are the problem. Because we are so unconcerned about what is wrong with us. We are so unconcerned. Many young Africans, many young Nigerians are more concerned about who Davido is dating than what is happening to their raw materials. Do you get the problem now, right? And when it comes to election, right, they come to you and they deceive you with tribe and religion. They tell you, I'm from the same tribe as you, please vote for me, and you vote for them. They tell you, oh, I'm a Christian, I'm a Muslim, and they go to your pastors, they go to your imams, and they use them to brainwash you. You believe your pastors and imam, you believe them, and you continue to vote for these people who do not care about you. Listen to me, your only tribe is the person who wants the best for you. It's not because it's Igbo, he wants the best for you, or Hausa or Yoruba. Your only tribe is the person who wants you to succeed. And you have seen that all of the leaders do not want us to succeed, because if they do, they will not be embezzling the resources meant to build us infrastructure, to build us roads, to give us power supply. Your only tribe is the person who wants you to succeed. Are you going to wake up now? Are you going to wake up? Are you going to start feeling concerned about what is wrong with us so we can begin to bring a solution? If you continue to feel unconcerned, if you allow yourself to be divided because of tribe and religion, I'm sorry, listen, these guys at the top, when it gets to the time to loot and embezzle our money, they don't care about tribe or religion. They only want to loot. But you are the person suffering, right? And you continue to fight for them. Do you have sense? Do you think, please, do you think at night before you sleep? Do you think about this stuff? These guys, all they want to do is loot your money, right? Regardless of tribe, right? Of religion, they want to loot. But they are stealing your future. You are the one fighting your fellow poor person because of them. Do you have brain? Do you think? When are we going to wake up? When are we going to stop this division? When are we going to stop allowing ourselves to be used? I hope you wake up. Now you can see 30 years has been wasted for nothing. I want you to share this video. Let everyone be aware of what is going on. We need to begin to ask questions right now. Forget about tribe. Listen, nobody cares about your tribe. No one cares about your tribe. As an African, if the African continent does not rise to prominence, wherever you find yourself, you will be disrespected. You will be discriminated against until the African continent rise to prominence, until we have countries, with stable economies, with powerhouses of the world. The people of African descent will continue to be disrespected anywhere in the world. Mark my word, it's not going to change. It doesn't matter how many videos we make about racism. It's about self-respect. It's about dignity. It's about building our own space, right? What's it going to be? Do you want to change today, or you want to continue this division? I'm Yoruba, I'm Hausa, I'm Efik, I'm Igbo, I'm this, I'm that. Nobody cares about where you come from, right? You have to understand that our progress lies within our unity. I keep saying it. It's never going to change. Even if you divide African countries into different countries, it's still... See, this tribalism happening in Nigeria is happening in different African countries. It's not only in Nigeria. It's never going to go away unless we wake up. We are the youth. We are supposed to be enlightened and educated. Why are we following this path of destruction? I hope you wake up today. 30 years gone. Billions of naira in allocation gone. But it's not too late. We can start to make that change right now, by forgetting about tribalism, nepotism, religion, and by focusing on what will keep us united, so we can question these people, these monsters who call themselves leaders.